You can do the talking.
Oh, I'm not good at talking under pressure.
Well, that's not pressure. Not yet, anyway.
No.
Well, today is February 28th.
Mm-hmm.
Last day of February, actually. And we are biking to Sombra.
Yeah, we are. Hopefully we're not fighting too much wind on the way back.
It's actually not bad here. Sarnia is in snow, but
Yeah, it's pretty nice here.
it's quite nice, and I think it's a little warmer here, don't you think?
Yeah, the sun's strong enough. Keeping it pretty nice, yeah. It's comfortable. Better than yesterday. Raining and 60-kilometer-hour winds.
Yeah, this movie is gonna go to YouTube tonight, so...
Uh-oh.
You and the river. Yeah, really nice to be out. The wind is kind of strong, but still nice to bike.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
So we should call this a Cannondale ride. As both of us riding Cannondale.
Yeah, this one's vintage from the 70s.
It's gasoline only Cannondale. What model is that anyway?
I don't even know. Whatever, not sure how many models they had at the time that they were producing this. Probably one of their earliest aluminum frames anyways.